Jeff Hansen, Window Warriors Forum. Check us out at windowcleaningwarriors.com. We're going to take a look at cleaning a patio door with two different size squeegees. The first squeegee we're going to use is just a 10-inch sorbo. The second squeegee we'll be using, 18-inch silicone aluminum channel with a ledger handle. We're going to show the difference and compare how a smaller squeegee requires many more strokes and many more turns, which could increase the opportunity to leave hacks. As we wet the window down, we'll start with the 18-inch squeegee, starting in upper left, working downward, back up to the upper left, straight down. Nice straight strokes. Second method, starting at the lower left, moving upward, down, using the full width of that 18-inch squeegee, least amount of passes. Do that method again, straight upward, downward to the bottom. We like this because the edges, your squeegee rides straight up and down. We'll use a fanning method on this time. Every time that squeegee blade touches the right or left window frame, the opportunity to leave a triangle, if you do not overlap enough, which is common to do, is left right here. If you don't come back and go above your last cutoff, you can leave a triangle mark that'll allow more detailing afterwards, or to come back up and re-squeegee it. We prefer this straight method with less strokes because the least amount of swipes. Anytime you pivot or fan a window, every time you pivot or touch those sides and don't overlap, you could leave a mark. 10-inch squeegee, same method that we started with the 18-inch. Obviously, you can't do it in the same amount of passes. Now we'll take that 10-inch squeegee and use the fanning method. Now every time we touch the sides, right and left, it's many more times because of the size of that 10-inch squeegee. It's much smaller. So the opportunity is so much higher to leave so many more triangles if the worker isn't paying attention. 10-inch squeegee. To eliminate the triangles on the sides, well, you cut the edges off first and then squeegee the centers. All these methods obviously get the window clean. The least amount of swipes is what we kind of aim for. What's your method? It's out here on Window Warriors Forum.